Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to remove duplicate entries in Excel. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Excel and you want to remove all the duplicate entries or duplicate values, okay, so here you will see I have written 10 boys 100 boys names and I want to remove all the duplicate entries. Okay, so what you have to do, so to remove duplicate entries, first you have to just select all the sheet. Okay, then after that what you have to do, here you will see conditional formatting. Okay, now you have to just click on it, and then here you will see highlight cell rules. Click on it and then click on duplicate values, and you can change the color. Okay, like this you can change the color, and then you have to just click on OK. And now you will see these are the duplicate values. Okay, so you can just remove these values. Okay, like this you can remove all the duplicate values. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.